Hi all, it's Renee again, and what I have for you today is a mini album. This is our special for February. It's called the Heart Happy Everyday Life Workshop Kit. What you get in the kit, if you buy the bundle, you can buy it with or without the stamp set. If you buy it with the stamp set and everything you need except for the album, it comes to $29.95. That's a 25% discount over buying everything separately. It comes with the page protectors that you need. It comes with flip flaps. It comes with all of the paper. It comes with the stamp set. And this particular kit uses up almost everything. I have a few little pieces left that I might see if they'll pull together to make maybe a Valentine card. But I've gone ahead. I have already cut all of my papers. It makes 8 two-page layouts and then a title page and a closing page. So what's that, 16, 18 pages total. So we will get started. I am using the black album today. If you want information about where to find these products, just look down in the description. This is the stamp set, and I pretty much used almost every single stamp in this set. There's just a couple things that I didn't use, but it's got a lot of really good sentiments in it that I can use for other things. Really great for journaling and using your planner. So I already did all that. So I'll just go ahead and get started and put on some music and be back in just a little bit. Okay, there is the whole album. This was really fun. It was like making little miniature layouts, and they came together really quick. They were easy to measure. You'll notice I had a little bit of problem with the flip-flaps because I never really used them before, so I think I figured it out. I think I figured out put the flip-flap on first and then put the stuff in it. So, but here's the opening page. Now, the one thing that I did do differently than you'll see in the instructions is instead of using glitter gems, I used these pearls that were from our Bashful collection. I've had them in my stash and I wanted to use them up and they matched. So use what you've got. You don't have to go get new things. The other thing I had pulled out is our black and white dots. These are great. And I really like using these as well, but I ended up not using them in this. But there's the title page and the first layout and the flip flap. The next page with the flip flap that pops over to the side. And then this one has a flip flap that pops out that way. And I love that quote. I really love that quote. And this one, now for this one, when you do this one, I would recommend that you put the flip flap on after you've finished everything, or maybe trim the edge of the flip flap. That might be what I do, is just take it in at an angle, because it was hard to get stuff in these little side pieces. So I think next time if I do this one again, I think I'll cut that in an angle. And this one, I love that You're My Person. And this one, you'll notice that these banners were printed on another one and we covered them up. I'm really glad we didn't cover them up on this one. It's really nice. Then this little guy, I think I showed you while I was making it, underneath this are two letters. It is actually half of, let me find the other half. I was wondering how it was going to be used when I was doing all my cutting. It is half of a cut apart. Let's see, now I can't find it. Nope, I can't find it now. It was half of a cut apart. The other part, I may have thrown it out because I thought I'd never use it, which I shouldn't have, because now I see how you, oh nope, there it is. Found it. Okay, so it was the other half of this, and it said LOVE. But I love how when you put a 3x3 photo on there, this just becomes a two-tone matte. That was genius. So yeah, I'll be using that for something else. And this one, I really like how that came out. And that was another one that had a cut part, and we put a picture over it, and the picture extends on the edge. I like that it's pushing me out of my comfort zone, because I'm always one who likes to have things centered, but I kind of like how that looks off to the edge there. And then that, and then there's the very last page. So I hope you enjoyed this mini album. I had a lot of fun putting it together. I will definitely be doing another one. But if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Have a great day.